guys, we're here in La Villa Francisco in Tacloban City. So, medyo init ang panahon. So, we are just chilling. Soroy-soroy ta panagsa, no? So, Tacloban City is located in Leyte. Guys, welcome to Cebu Hill Resort located in Maasin City in southern Leyte. So nag-nature tripping mi diri and actually nagstay mi diri overnight and we rented a cottage. In a bit I'll show you the cottage that we rented. Overnight na pag-rent. So kani siya. We are having a family reunion here in Libagon. It's in Sunset Boulevard. So we are actually celebrating the birthday of my mother and together with our cousins. So ara siyang kabibo, no? Idugang pa nato ang lugar nga naay dagat, no? Kinsay dili ganahan og dagat. I think everybody ganahan gyud taog dagat. So nadiri ako mga staff po ding uban, mga pagumangkon, basta mga family members na uban sila namo. And it was really fun. This beautiful place is actually located in Baybay City, particularly in Pumpunan, Banda, no? So it's Lintaon Peak and it's 16,000 blossoms. So it's really fun here, lots of oxygen. Obviously, we are in Cebu Ocean Park. You know, once in a while, you have to behave like a child to enjoy life. So have fun while we still can. Kami karon sa Hinunangan in southern Leyte. So naghandle yung mga beach na so inaami sa top of the mountain overlooking the sea. And grabe dire, lots of oxygen, daghan kahoy. So nag-hiking ni obviously na you have to hike on your way to the top. And then naami karon sa beach na likod to. We're here in Tanawan, Leyte, particularly in Hyatt Hotel. So actually, na ako diri meet my client. So this is combining business and pleasure. So dinhiman mi diri na. So ang client mo ay nagbayad sa among hotel accommodation. So sorry lang mi diri, no? At the same time, nag-work. Also filmed during or on the same day rather that we stayed in Hyatt Hotel. Actually, my client is a resident of Dulag, Leyte, so that's why we are here in this resort. And that's also the reason she paid our hotel accommodation in
Wow.
the hotel that I've shown you prior to this video. So it's really, really fun here, no? Oh, very, very good. Here at Tagbak Ridge in Liloan, Southern Leyte. So this was taken prior to Typhoon Odette or Bagyong Odette. Parang ka-nice diri, no? Grabe. Kauban ako diri ako mga cousins and mga sisters. So you see, we're flexing our skill to bugsay-bugsay. So much fun. Grabe, no? And lots of oxygen because you know, nindot kayo ang smell nga rin sa dagat. Grabe ang hangin, ha? And enjoy na enjoy. Guys, we are in Barangay Pinamudlan in the municipality of San Francisco here in the province of Southern Leyte. So, I just visited this recently after Typhoon Odette because actually amo ni siya last year prior to Typhoon Odette nag-opening ni nga beach resort and I really like it. We visited this several times kay okay kayo ang lugar, very peaceful. And then after Typhoon Odette we came to visit and as we saw medyo na-devastate siya gamay but still nagyapon ang atong dagat with lots of oxygen. So mo na siyang number one nga nganong ganahan ko diri na. Tas na sila small nga swimming pool kauban sa dagat, no? So see, this is their pwede ka maka-connect og wifi and that's their swimming pool. Tama-tama lang, na? Okay kayo, maka-enjoy. So, nindot sad kaayo diri. Especially lots of oxygen again. Kay grabe diri ang hangin, no? Tanawan niyo ang dagat. Grabe ka peaceful. So here, kung mungarita, maka-relax ta and maka-recharge. Kaning ani nga mga place na kasi super makita ginato ang nature. Dili ni sila posh or luxurious na mga places nga mahal. They are very affordable and you will get the vacation and the relaxation that you really need.